going on, everybody? Boxer Tech here. I just want to give you guys a little update about the newest acquisition for our Subaru channel. And I'm actually currently driving it right now. It's loud. It's really loud because it needs some suspension work, but it's a 98 Legacy Outback Limited. So it's got leather interior, the dual moonroofs. I picked up the car probably about an hour and a half from home, and this car was in rough shape, and it had been sitting for probably about 2 years. And last weekend I went out and took a look at it to see if I wanted to undertake this project, and everything looked good on the car. The body is in decent shape, needs a fender and some touch-up paint and things of that sort. So body's in decent shape for being 20 years old. The interior, it's in fair shape. The seats are all leather, and they're in okay shape. I mean, the seats are not bad. But the seat I'm sitting on is actually is shot. It's completely torn up. So this seat's got to be replaced. But the best part about it is I bought this car for $300, and I'm currently driving it home right now from Flagstaff, which is about an hour and a half from where I live. And we're going on about mile 72 right now, and everything's working out. Like I said, it needs some suspension work, and it's in fair shape. But overall, I have to say I'm quite impressed with this car. Like I said, it's a 98 Outback Legacy. It's got about 212,000 miles on it, but it came with a full dossier of maintenance records for it. So the guy had owned it since like 2003, bought it from Colorado with 45,000 miles on it. I mean, it was well taken care of before I got it, and I'm now the third owner. So I think what I'm going to do with this car is actually do a series on how to flip a car, because this, I think, would be the perfect car to do for this series, being that I only picked it up for $300. So look out for those videos. I'll be doing a more in-depth detail on this car. So we'll see you soon.